Hi guys, another unboxing video for me, and this is from Shein.com. Today I'm going to be showing you my second part of my summer unboxing, and it's this one here. This is a sunglasses organizer and it's only 7 pounds. And I have two. It's like in the store. I like this. And this is actually plastic. Yeah, it's clear plastic. Next one from Shein.com is a pill organizer. It's cute and I love it. It's pink as well. I take a lot of vitamins. I need one of these. That's a cute pill organizer. It's a perfume spray and it is only 1 pound. It's a very tiny perfume spray and I can actually put my perfume in here when I'm traveling. Next is a set of necklace. It's white, but this is multicolored, so that's good. This is £1.28, so it's really affordable. Another necklace, and it's a shell necklace for £1.50, not bad. Next one is a tripod and it's only 3.50. Oh wow! It's a very tiny tripod. Can I extend this? Oh yeah, it does extend, look. And you can bend it there, bend it up. Love it. I like it. Well, it's only £3.50, not bad. This one is an eraser. It's my first time to buy this. It's a rubber shoe cleaner eraser, something like that, and it's only £3.50. I can bring this when I'm traveling. We have this hat. Another one from Shein.com is this wide straw hat, and it's only £4.50, but it's crumpled as you can see. So I need to keep this open until the holiday time. Next one is a beach towel, and this is £5. It says, "You are my sunshine." Next one is a straw shoulder bag and this is £8.50. It's cute. It's not leather, but it's fine because this is for summer. Like that. Isn't it nice? I like this style and it's only £8.50. So I have two glasses chain and it's both £1. Summer color. I love it. If you buy this in accessorized or in Oliver Bonus, it is like £10 or 9.99. Another one, it's an eyeglasses chain. Again, £1 from Shein.com. Good enough for me. So £2, £1 each. Another one from Shein.com, it's 2-piece, but it's only £9. Again, very affordable. I love pink, so it's pink color. That's that. It's quite big. I should have chosen small, but I wasn't sure. But I'm keeping this. Another one from Shein.com, a knitted cover-up. I'm not quite sure if I like this, but I love the color, and this is only £10. So I can put this on top of the bathing suit. So that's good for the beach. To continue with my unboxing, I'm going to show you more from Shein.com. I have another bathing suit. So that's how this looks. It's another bathing suit, the same design but different color. So let me show you. Again, it's the same design but different color. So that's the top. And this is the bottom. This is how it looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this or give this to my sister. But hey, I love the design, so I love the look of it. However, I don't know if I can wear this. Next one is a headband, only 2.25. Let me open this. This is actually hair, so good. So let me try. Wow, I like it. So that's my new headband from Shein.com, only £2.25. So affordable. I'm loving Shein. Next one is a hair claw or a hair clip. And it's okay. I really like it. See? Another one is a cover-up skirt. Only £4 from Shein. So that's that. Now I'm going to be wearing this with this bathing suit. This is also from Shein. And with this, I am going to be using this cover-up. I have more purchases from Shein.com, so yeah, I'm going to unbox more of this. First of all, this is straw hat with bow. And look at that. It's well made, and I like the brown bow. Let's try this on. Next one is another straw hat, but with flower accent. I like flowers, I like gardening, so here we are. I have this flowered accent straw hat. Let me try this on. I think I'm gonna wear this instead. There we are. Next one. These are fashion sunglasses for our barbecue party. That's the one. Two. Another one here, pineapple. And this is tequila. So that's 4. I have more. Another fashion sunglasses with coconut tree and flamingo decor. That's that. I love this. I'm gonna be wearing this one definitely. Another fashion sunglasses, and this is 4.26. So another pineapple. This is melon, strawberries, and oranges. This is 2.17, and again some tequila, a wine glass, and another wine glass. So all in all, I have 1, 2, 10, 11. So I have 11 fashion sunglasses for our summer barbecue party. Next one is a brown sandals. Only $7.50. Yeah, for summer, not bad. I don't mind wearing this. And of course, because I like this strappy style, I have another one here and it's black. Black is more expensive and it's £8. So that's the one. Again, these are for summer. That's why I decided to buy. So that's the black, £8, while the brown is $7.50. Okay, so that's that. So another one from Shein.com is this one. A cable storage package for traveling, and this is only $3.50. I'm going to be using this for a travel to Milan and Spain. I have more space here for my memory cards, cables, batteries for my camera, portable batteries, charging cables. So yeah, it's all gonna be in this bag. Next is a bathing suit. This is $14.50. Get from Shein. It's this one, and this is the top, the bikini top. Very bright yellow in color, but again I'm not sure because it's quite big and I don't want to return it because it's a hassle, so I'll be keeping this one instead. Another bathing suit from Shein.com, £11, and I really like the color. Initially I ordered medium, but it's quite big, so I returned it and exchanged it with a small size, and it's this one. So this is size 8. There's a very thin pad inside. It's underwire and I love it. Like it's a good fit as well. I'm not really sure if I like this one because it doesn't match, but probably I'll keep it for some other time, so I'm keeping this one. And this is only £6. Again, it's a cover-up. I was hoping to use this for the bathing suit, but it doesn't match. But anyway, again, I'll be keeping this because it's only £6 anyway, so I'll use this for some other time. Next one is this makeup sponges, only 99p. Really, less than £1 for 4 pieces. Again, it's really affordable, so yeah, I can't complain. Another one from Shein is the skirt cover up, and this is £7. It's really pink. It looks like that. And I'm going to be using this for this two-piece here. And that. Not exactly the same color, but it will do. So it's gonna be one pair. And this is a pair. And this is another pair. That's it for my Shein unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. For the next vlog, we will be in Milan, Lake Como, and then Alicante, Spain. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!